Have you been wondering how to use SnapTrader AI, an AI tool to help you trade and analyze your charts with you? In this video, I'm going to show you a quick walkthrough on how to use the platform and the best things to help you trade. Let's dive right in. So first, you could see right away it gives you a good afternoon message, and you could analyze swing charts and analyze scalping charts. So let's look at the swing charts. It wants you to upload a chart image. So let's go to Trading View and take a little screenshot and upload. Now we're going to click Daily, and then we're going to click Analyze Chart. So now the AI is going to do some analysis and then give us a little analysis of what's going on. It tells you how many people are analyzing this chart right now, and to get full metrics, you're going to have to upgrade, which the plans are pretty pricey at $20 a month or $100 a year, which is a good discount if you're doing it compared to the monthly plan, but otherwise is pretty expensive. Now we can look at the scalp trading. Immediate trade opportunities for quick and short-term profits? That's pretty crazy. We can switch the chart over to the 1 minute time frame and take a screenshot here. Now let's give it back to the AI. Chart will analyze again, and it'll give you full details based on the trade outcome as well as markers. Now, the tool also has some trade reviews and analysis. You can describe your trade and even upload an image for the trade. When you upload an image for the trade, it'll give you a full analysis on whether it thinks your entry point was good, as well as your take profits and anything along the way. It includes pattern recognition, personalized advice, and even risk analysis. SnapTrader also has its own learning module, where it provides many videos as well as AI conversations and topics that you could go through to make sure you're reiterating your fundamentals and make sure you're getting your entry points, your take profits, and everything right, even trading psychology. You can even talk to the AI trading master yourself, and he'll directly converse with you, giving you direct feedback. Finally, there's a journal where you could journal each of your individual trades so you could analyze your win rate as well as your average win, your total profit and loss, and your average loss. This is a great way to manage your trades and look at how you're doing long term from their platform directly and not needing to write down or make any notes or calculate your win rate yourself or your average win. Now we'll go to the plans. The monthly plan, as we've already covered, is $20 a month, and the annual plan is $100 a year. These are pretty high prices for such a tool. And don't forget that when you click around and it gives you a pop-up offering you 50% off on your subscription, this is usually coming from companies that really want you to buy, and they're putting amazing deals in front of you that look too good to be true simply because their platform isn't providing what it's supposed to for the $20 a month price point. So it'll hook people on to the $10 a month price point and say, wow, this is a really good deal. I might as well try it out for the first month for $10. In your settings, you're also able to change your display name, time zone, trading bio, email address, and more, billing and security information. And that was a full SnapTrader AI tutorial and mini review. If you enjoyed this, be sure to like and subscribe to Howard's O2s for more simple tutorials and reviews just like this video.